This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 6 versus the Galaxy S8 Plus. Now the OnePlus 6, this one has the Snapdragon 845 and 6 gigs of RAM. The S8 Plus has the Snapdragon 835 from last year, 4 gigs of RAM. Both have Android Oreo. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on both, so let's get started by tapping the phone app. OP6, messaging, OnePlus 6 again, camera, fairly close, calculator, OnePlus 6. The clock on both phones, OnePlus 6 again, start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background, the Play Store. OnePlus 6 a little bit ahead. Let's go ahead and click on Let Go and leave it right there. eBay on both phones. OnePlus 6 again. Click on, let's see, this one. Leave it on that page. Baseball app. OnePlus 6 ahead. NBA app, go. And give this to the OnePlus 6. The browsing on both, Chrome and the Samsung browser respectively. Go ahead and click on the Amazon, go. Okay, I think the OnePlus 6 a little bit ahead on this. Go ahead and scroll through both, nice and fast on both phones. Go to the full site. And the OnePlus 6 loaded this page faster. Pinch to zoom, both are nice and buttery smooth. Go ahead and leave it right there. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. And the OnePlus 6 is ahead. Tap to begin. Go ahead and press OK and close it out. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Monaco. Loading on the OnePlus 6. Will the S8 catch up? No, it does not. Tap to play, close it out, and some ad here on the S8 Plus. Leave it right there. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. Will the S8 catch up? No, it does not. OnePlus 6 taking this one. I'm gonna close it out. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the OP6, and looks like the OnePlus 6 will take this one, and it does. Go ahead and close it out, and do the same thing on the S8. Instagram, ready to log in, and Snapchat, OP6 taking this. So let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything's in the background as you can see. Now OnePlus 6 has 2 more gigs of RAM, so on paper has the advantage, but let's just check it out. Instagram, ready to go. CSR Racing 2, paused and ready to resume on both. Angry Birds 2, ready to resume on both. Subway Surf, ready to resume on both. Mario Run, ready to go. The browsing on both, and same place, there you go. The NBA app, ready to go. Baseball app, and a little bit of a slowdown here on the right. eBay, and another slowdown here on the right again. S8 Plus is lagging a little bit. Play Store, same place. The clock on both, still running the stopwatch. Calculator, a little bit of a stutter on the right. Camera on both, there we go. And messaging, there you have it. And the phone app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this test. Are you a Samsung Knight still rocking the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus? Or are you about bang for a buck and rocking OnePlus phones like this OnePlus 6, OnePlus 5, 5T, even the OnePlus 3T? These phones having some pretty good specs for essentially half the price of some of these other phones. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.